Hey guys, I had just posted a video showing a GIF that Call of Duty had tweeted out on Twitter, but they also posted one on Facebook, and not many people have seen this one. This one has less than 150 views, and it definitely shows a whole lot more and is way more clear than the one on Twitter. Here it is right here, and I'm gonna play it on loop so you guys can see it, and then I'm gonna break down the 3 different scenes. So there is a scene right here, and then a scene right here, and then right here, and then it goes to the Black Ops 4 symbol. There's one scene where the guy looks like he's holding a bottle, and then you see some kind of very bright light, and you can see he's wearing a bullet holster belt. I'm gonna slow this scene down and play it, you know, back and forth. And what I think this is a Molotov. It looks like he's holding a bottle, the rag is hanging out of it, his hand lowers, you can see the light coming out of his fingers right there. That's the lighter lighting the cloth, and then the cloth ignites and the scene gets really bright, so you can tell that it's on fire. With this game rumored to be in a modern setting, this is definitely surprising, if that's what that is. Also, I want to pause one of the frames that's really interesting. As the soldier is lighting the bottom of the Molotov rag, you can see that they're wearing a shotgun bandolier belt. That Molotov and that belt does not scream modern to me, so there might be some situations where we are going to be going into the past. That bottle style and gloves definitely look old as well. This next scene is a soldier holding a pretty large weapon, and it looks like they are cocking a lever, and I've got the scene playing back and forth really fast so you can see that animation. This could definitely be an LMG where you have to cock the LMG lever, or it could be a sniper. For a sniper, it's possible that we're seeing a scope up at the top, but yeah, it's just really hard to see. This last scene appears to be a soldier that is holding either a modern or futuristic pistol. You can see that they are loading the magazine, and then they rack the slide on the top to allow the round to be chambered. You can kind of see the gear that the soldier is wearing. It definitely looks at least modern, and so does the weapon. I'm getting a very MR6 vibe from this pistol, and if that's the case, we may be looking at our zombie starting pistol. This pistol appears to be kind of boxy and tall like the MR6, but the video is pretty distorted, so it's hard to tell. But what do you guys think about this? Do you think we're going to be going back in time? It's kind of looking that way. It looks like these are different eras that we're seeing here. We're seeing some modern stuff and then some past stuff. But let me know what you guys think about these weapons, what you think they could be, and let me know, and we'll see you guys next video.